Now, so till this time we have seen like this. Okay. Now, after this, okay, we have to go to the inference, that is, with the rise of temperature the heart rate increases, but with cold the heart rate falls below the normal heart rate. So we saw that, and also warm Ringer's solution increases both the heart rate and the height of contraction, whereas cold Ringer's solution decreases both the heart rate and the height of contraction of the heart. So what are the precautions now? To take care not to damage the heart during dissection, the pericardium should be removed before fixing the heart on the myograph board. Record the normal cardiogram before recording the effect of warm and cold Ringer's solution. The temperature of warm Ringer's solution should not be more than 42 degrees centigrade. The effect of warm Ringer's should be recorded before the effect of cold Ringer's solution. Lastly, the discussion. Okay. When warm Ringer's solution is added to the heart, it stimulates the pacemaker cells and also causes an increase in the metabolic activity of the pacemaker cells, which generates more cardiac impulses per unit time, thus increasing the heart rate and the height of contraction. So we saw that as it has stimulated the pacemaker cell, it has increased the height. Okay. So when we gave the warm solution, it stimulated the pacemaker cell, that is the sinus venosus, and the rate as well as the height of contraction increases. Now, how to calculate the rate of heartbeat? See, in the time tracing, this is the time tracing, you saw two peaks here, 1, 2. So 2 peaks under. So this is 5. So if in 5 seconds 2 beats, so in 60 seconds it will be how much? 2 into 12 to the 4, around 24 per minute. Okay, so we know that 5 into 12, 60. So this. Now in frog's normal heart rate around 20 to 50 per minute. Okay. So this is the thing. Now, increased metabolic activity of the working cells of the atria and the ventricle and decrease in the viscosity increases the force of contraction. Now, as the metabolic activity of the working cells increases, so it will decrease the viscosity and hence the force of contraction increases. Now, these are the effects when warm Ringer's solution is added. Now, when cold is added, cold has the opposite effects, as it is a depressant of the pacemaker and it causes the decrease in the metabolic activity of the pacemaker.